Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is May and I create fashion and beauty content. Today's video is a little bit different and that's because I'll be styling my boyfriend's clothes. So this is what I'll be working with. So I have these two blazers, a gray one and this teal, a white t-shirt, a striped button-up, and a sweatshirt. I feel like most guys have all of these pieces in some way or in some form, and I actually just realized I have these pieces as well. They just fit me properly to my body. Keep in mind my boyfriend is 6'1" and he wears like a medium or large depending on the piece, and I'm petite, I'm 5'4" and I'm a typical small, so we'll see how I style these. So this is what I'm thinking. I haven't tried on anything, so I'm hoping things look like a cute oversized look. I really like that look and it doesn't look like I'm playing dress up. But my plan is with one of the blazers, I'm going to wear a slip dress underneath. It would add a nice feminine touch. And then with the other blazer, I may or may not include it, kind of depending on the fit. For the white t-shirt, I'm going to turn it into a muscle tee. And then I think I want to add some high-waisted shorts. For the striped button-up, I'm going to transform it into a off-the-shoulder crop top with some denim shorts. And lastly, with the sweatshirt, I think I want to do maybe like an Ariana Grande moment where she wears her sweatshirt oversized and it kind of looks like a dress. I think if this covers my butt, I might just put on some biker shorts and maybe some boots. I don't think I have my over-the-knee boots with me, but maybe I'll do some combat boots. All right, I'm gonna pull all the pieces together and see how these outfits look. I think that would look cute. I think these high-waisted denim shorts would look really good with the striped button-up. And then these faux leather high-waisted shorts with the white t-shirt. That would look really cute. And this slip dress with the turquoise blazer I think would look really pretty with some kitten heels. Since I don't have any of my over-the-knee boots with me, I think I'm going to instead wear these combat boots with this sweatshirt, and then I'll just be like a sweatshirt dress. A white t-shirt is a classic in a guy's wardrobe. I personally like V-necks on my boyfriend. To create a more tailored fit, I first tucked in the shirt into my faux leather high-waisted shorts. Since I'm tucking this into a muscle tank top, I used my bra straps to tuck in the sleeves. This is a great hack to turn any t-shirt into a tank top. I added some gold jewelry and put my hair up in a low bun with a French pin. To dress this up, I wore these quilted white sandals from Lulu's. I know, a striped button-up. How basic does it get? I want to show you guys how to transfer this into a crop top. First, roll up the sleeves to create a relaxed look. Then tuck in the collar inside like this. With only one button buttoned, take the bottom half and create a knot. Tuck in the excess fabric so it looks like a crop top. There you have it, a fun crop top for the summer. Keeping it casual, I wore these high-waisted denim shorts from Rola's, and my white sneakers are from Saludos. I love a good blazer. This color is absolutely stunning and I wanted to use it for one of my looks. Since this blazer is quite big on me, I rolled up the sleeves by using this technique. Use a hair tie and roll up the sleeves. This will instantly give a more relaxed look, plus it will stay in place as you move around. For shoes, I wore these white minimal sandals from Zara. I love styling oversized blazers with feminine slip dresses. Since this sweater's on the shorter side for me, I wore a black dress underneath. This sweatshirt stood out to me because of the forest green color and it has a relaxed neckline. For shoes, I wore these combat boots from DSW. The lace trim on the dress adds the perfect feminine touch. You can also wear this look with biker shorts to create a more athleisure look. If you want to create more of a shape to your body, add a belt around your waist. This is giving me major Ariana Grande vibes. So who wore my boyfriend's clothes better, me or him? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this styling video. I know it was very different from my other ones. If you guys are curious to see my other styling videos, I'll leave a playlist right up here. Please let me know in the comments below what did you think of this video. If you enjoyed it, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. Until then, I'll see you in another video. Bye!